Hi guys, today in this video I will be showing you the best trick to use Chat GPT for your YouTube. But before that I just need to ask you one thing. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe for this kind of updated videos related to tech. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, if you are creating a video, you need to be clear about what is your video about. Like I have created this video for specifically solving a problem, that is how we can use Chat GPT for solving our problems, means to write description, to write tags, to write specific things which are required when we are uploading our video in YouTube. Then you need to give there a title. You also required a description. You also required tags, some of the best tags. So it is not easy for us if we are uploading 4 videos in a day. So it is not easy for us to manage all those works as a single person. So ChatGPT can help us for achieving this. So I will show you one example, that what video I made it today, how I will add the description, title, tags in my video. Okay, so see, first of all I will write, hello, I am a YouTuber. So you need to first say who you are, like I am a tech YouTuber. Then you need to write what video you are making. Today I made a video how to use Chat GPT to write YouTube video description, tags, etc. But can you suggest some best title and description tags for the video? Just by giving this 2 lines, see, so it is writing 5 titles. Out of this, which one is best for you, you can take it. Okay, so it have also written the YouTube descriptions, okay, where you will write your channel name and you will show, means you will mention what you will show in your video. All that the things it have written, but you can little bit tweak it, so it will provide a real sense to the users. Okay, and then the timestamps, because see, when we are creating a video, we need to also mention the timestamps, like at 1 minute what we have explained, at 5 minutes what we are explaining, because the user may not be interested in 1 minute but may be interested in that 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So it's a better thing to mention specifically this timestamps. Okay, and some of the tools mentioned, and then also you can see the tags. These are the 10 best tags which are used by other YouTubers. It is getting that, it is fetching that, and combining all those resources and making the best tag output from it. Like it is providing this 10 tag, but it is also searching from 1,000 number of tags, and in that 1,000 number of tags it is only giving us 10, means it is purifying that and also giving us the major searches which are being done in YouTube. It is only providing us that kind of tags. Okay, like we are as a user, if we need to know about ChatGPT, we'll search ChatGPT. If I just need to write AI writing, some person need to write a content, so he will search for content creation or AI writing, this kind of thing they will search. Okay, so you can use this kind of tags and this kind of descriptions very easily. But let us assume if you need a much more, means very big description. So what you need to do, if you need a very big description, what you need to do, you just need to write, I am not satisfied with the above, please give me another description. So see, once you have written this, then it will change the description of it completely. Then if this description is also, you are not liking this description, you can again write, it will give you thousand number of choices. Out of that you need to choose. So it is very easy for a user to choose from a 1,000 number of choices, but it is not easy for a user to write those 1,000 number of choices. If you will give this to a content writer, he or she may not provide you 5 choices, but ChatGPT can provide you more than 10,000 number of choices, and even unlimited number of choices it can give, not restricted to only 10,000 or 20,000. You can search as much as you can. Okay, it will never say that no, after that I will not give you so many choices. Okay, so this is the simple thing which I need to show you. Like, we should not waste our time. If this video is interesting, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.